Come over here. Sting, come over here. Thank you.
How's it going, Splick Laga?
Good.
Who's that guy? Oh, that's the sleepyhead guy. Hey, Mr. Sleep. Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, did he really just tell me to wait? Does he know who I is? Let me stop.
He can put his face on.
I'm legit gonna ask him no.
He does not know.
Would
Oh, he's getting his glasses so he could see me better.
He's like, what? There's actually a woman talking to me.
Huh?
He's like, oh, what? There's a woman talking
Yeah,
to
I'm
me.
dealing with some blurry people.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Alright.
Who are you apart with? Who are you grouping with?
Two groups actually.
Oh,
I'm
shit.
floating between the two.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
Big boy status. So, come sit in the interviewing chair.
So many.
Interviewing chair.
Yes, the interviewing chair.
Oh boy. Oh.
Yes. Sit down. What's your name?
Stuart.
Stuart. Hi, Stuart.
Hello.
Oh, you have a little thing.
Yeah.
My bad. So,
Takes a picture of me readjusting my chair.
so Stuart, which groups are you working on?
I am working with that group there.
Okay.
They're working on the.
Oh wait, there's one that's hush hush. James told me that there's a project that's hush hush, and I can't know about it, so don't tell me.
Okay, I guess I won't tell them about that one. I'm not sure if that was hush hush or not.
Oh, okay. Is James working on two different ones too?
I'm not sure if James is part of that one.
Oh, well, hell.
Oh,
Well, James told me that there was one that was hush hush, and I wasn't allowed to know about it, so let's keep it hush hush, so James doesn't beat me up.
That's
She's
alright.
gonna ask him. She's gonna ask him. She asked the hard questions. The person.
Just tell me in here.
People want to know.
Okay. Well, I'm helping with particle effects, and later on we would be helping with sound effects for that group.
Okay.
And other group I'm working with, Malcolm's group, they're doing a text-based game.
Ooh.
Okay.
I think the idea is you try to spread the disease to everyone in the city.
Yes, the cool one. where they
Yes,
had
that's
moves
the
for
one
it.
I'm hoping for. Like, I'm hoping you guys finish in time so we can play a little bit because I've been dying to see it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be all text-based, and it's like a cross between infecting the city and then also hacking the infrastructure to also try and cut off the people's ability to actually react.
I'm going for like the
Nobody's gonna get
two-pronged
away.
approach to transmission.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like you try to disease them. They start noticing, so they'll try to cure it at the hospital. Maybe someone tried to escape up the bridges.
No, we can't have that now.
Yeah, you can
Gotcha.
hack that down and just make sure
That
they
actually
all
sounds like
die
the
a
division.
merry, happy death.
They die a very happy death. That's what we can
First
say.
part, yes. Perfect.
So, have you done Game Jam before?
Yeah, I did last year.
Okay.
I knew even less than I did now, and I still know nothing now. But
I like this guy. I like this guy
enough
already.
to at least help on particle effects, which I only started on pretty recently. I can do some degree of sound effects, pretty minimal, but still something. And was able to help on the game design overall on the text-based one.
Okay. So, how long have you been here?
Talking the game jam itself.
No, like today. Like, were you here from this morning or were you here last night?
I was here last night, and I've been here the whole time.
Oh, God, you haven't
Oh, yeah.
left or anything? Well, we saw you napping.
Oh yeah.
I was half tempted to ask if you were sleeping, but I was told that I couldn't go and bother you. So you were
Really?
sick, yeah. Well, I wanted to ask if you were sleeping. Oh, you see, you guys missed out on a great opportunity.
Just poke him with
We
a
were
stick.
I was gonna poke you.
No, I wouldn't guarantee that actually wake up.
True. I was just gonna go up
She
there
would have come
and,
back here and said, "Hey, you guys want to see a dead body?"
That gets people in trouble nowadays. You gotta watch out.
So how long do you
Ain't
plan
that
on?
right,
do you plan
Logan
on doing
Paul?
the whole 48?
Yeah, why not?
Holy Christ!
Well,
Woo!
I was out for a few hours earlier to work on one of the writing parts, which I thought I was going to get some help from some other people, and it turned out I kind of just used them as motivation to do it myself.
Okay. Okay. So are you having fun so far?
Yeah, it's been tough. I'm having to do a lot of things I have no idea how to do. So I am doing a cross between looking up YouTube and making it up.
Oh wow!
Hey,
Wow.
alright.
I mean,
That's recently been my Premiere, Adobe Premiere experience.
I was getting ready to say that's my life. That's how I
Software
approach
I do
life.
not know how to
Google,
use.
YouTube, and then just winging it. That's how I approach life. Google, YouTube, and winging it.
Boom.
Makes me wonder how people manage to do anything before Google and YouTube.
I used to cry a lot.
That's how I got most of my
Trial
jobs.
and error.
Yeah, like I was gonna say, I'm from the land before Google and YouTube, and there was a lot of crying and frustration,
I
tears.
recall some bits of it, but
You were probably like 2 years old, if that.
yeah.
Wow.
Well, no, I just played games on Nintendo.
Well, look at his face. He looks so baby face. Not in a bad way. You look super young. Like you just might have started college. No? Oh, okay. Like I was saying earlier, everybody looks so baby-faced and innocent. Like I want to protect you guys. Like I don't want you guys to ever leave this building because life is cruel.
You know, I really like knives.
Oh God! Then I definitely don't want you to leave.
Love slicing things.
Then I definitely don't want you.
That place.
No, we actually may have found the one guy who could take out Gabe Newell.
I don't know who Gabe
Might be
Newell
it.
is.
Might
You know,
be it.
the owner of Valve, who was
Oh.
also a huge knife guy. Like that's his shtick outside of
I didn't know his name.
Valve.
I never knew his name.
Yeah, he's a big knife guy.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Maybe we can actually,
Like,
So-
make some order to Steam.
So are you adding
Release Half-Life
any
39.
knifing into any of these games?
No, though. At this rate, I might stab a certain particle effect thing in the face.
Oh, we might see some action tonight, guys.
Yeah.
Keep the cameras pointed outside, guys.
Yes.
Get him.
I feel like trying to do a particle effect for a projectile should be easier than this, but somehow it's not.
Aw.
So-
So are you stuck right now, basically, or are you just
No, I've got a way of doing it.
you're just
I
pushing
was-
through?
We'll see if I could develop kind of half of my own way with some existing knowledge before trying to jump into more new knowledge. Because it feels like I've been doing nothing but new knowledge this entire time.
Oh, okay. So you said you was here last year as well.
Yeah.
So is your game up on the website?
Yeah, last year's was, what the heck was it called?
Is it in the North Carolina area?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the one with sheep or goats.
Oh my God! Wait, was it Herd Mentality?
Yeah.
Oh my
that
God.
one.
You played that.
Yeah, I played
So
it.
there-
You were just
so-
telling us about that this morning.
Yeah, so that one I mainly recorded sound effects for.
Okay.
A lot of the sound effects did not make it. Well, they technically made it into the game's files. They just didn't actually get into the game because at the time I didn't have the slightest clue how to use Unity. We're running out of time and I couldn't figure it out in time. But yeah, there was a lot of sheep sounds in there, like bah, stuff like that.
That's all you.
Oh yeah, that was me. I got a nice microphone and recorded it at night when no one was around. It was pretty good. I tried doing that today, but there's like some weird deep ambient sound coming from over there that is interfering. So
Yeah, I've been hearing that a lot too in some of the videos I've been
wasn't here.
recording.
Like there was some ambient sound last year, but this year it's way worse.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I couldn't even attempt it.
So what brought you back to Game Jam?
No, I mean, aside from the fact that I want to learn how to do more games. I'm trying to fix my I only recently started, so
Oh, okay. So outside of Game Jams, have you ever worked on games?
yeah, I've actually got a game currently.
Oh.
Been working on it on and off for about a year with the team.
Are you going to ECGC?
No, I'm afraid not.
Oh, that's the gamer way. When you're making games, you're usually not in the riches yet.
Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can.
Same possible for the first one. I think it is, but it's really difficult.
Yeah, I've gotten at most 2.
I'm not sure.
So how do you herd them?
Well, so the theme of last year was waves. So the idea is you drop shock waves and that sends them
Oh.
flying.
Wow, this
plane.
one sheep is just like Oh
That
my
shit
god.
dead.
Oh yeah, no, they've gone soaring off to the ends of existence at this point.
On his
That
floating-
sheep was
his
not
floating
even trying to
sky
be
patch.
anywhere close to what she was
Oh, yeah.
sending him to.
You're just waiting to see if they just walk over naturally.
Look at that.
Oh,
Oh my
dead,
god.
dead.
Just
Ah!
oh,
save the last one.
aha!
One.
There we go.
One out of like 5, was it?
My brothers! No!
I'm not even sure if the game.
Well, it's gonna be a minimal year, this gag.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, we had some what's it called issues with GitHub, and it's like at one point it worked, and then it didn't work, and we're not sure what went wrong.
Okay.
It's entirely possible that I botched it. Trying to get some sounds.
So just say, we'll just wait.
Go, little sheep. Go, sheep, go.
Just sheep.
2, 4.
sitting
Yeah,
there.
there's 5 of them. That one sheep in the front is really annoying me.
It's like-
I'm like, stay with the others.
That's a scout sheep. He's got to go out in front of everybody to see, you know.
He's gonna get caught.
He
in
is.
Here anyway.
Oh my
Yeah,
god! And the
bearable.
problem is that you hit the shockwave and they're like, "What?"
Maybe a bear will fall down.
They
from the
freak
sky
the
and
hell
just
out.
eat him.
And this sheep here is ridiculous. I don't know what's going on with that guy.
Oh man.
Shockwave him. Oh
Uh-oh.
no!
Wow, you smacked him across the pasture. Way to go.
Oh,
Yes.
Go.
Oh! You got robbed on that one.
Ah,
Uh-oh.
damn it. Where
Oh,
were you going?
it's nice enough.
You're just going to smash him further, quicker to the earth.
Most
Oh
of it fell
man,
off the end of the earth.
So, still at 1.
that's amazing.
Yep.
That's super cool. So you're bouncing between 2 games. Do you find one of them games harder than the other, or are they both fairly the same?
One of them is stuff I'm familiar with, text-based stuff. I'm already used to game design and some degrees of writing. In fact, I've been doing a lot of writing this past year. I went to a writing group trying to work on my writing skills. And because the game I'm working on with my team, like outside the game jam, trying to implement an actual, not story per se, but a lot of background lore and flavor
fashion.
text.
Okay.
And it's pretty difficult, admittedly. The game itself does not lend itself well to that, but
Get off my pasture.
oh man,
Get
you
out
murdered
of
the
here.
poor sheep.
Yeah.
Not enough separation between those 3. You're going to go all over the place.
So overall, are you having fun?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you having fun?
I
I think so.
Well, here's the thing. I haven't actually seen the progress of either game. I've just been doing my work in the background.
Oh, okay.
Since I can
You'll
barely
fit right
read
in
code,
at a
I
big
can't, I
development
can't really,
studio.
Yep.
I can't really add to anything directly. So I've just been been the outsource guy.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you'll fit in at any big development studio
Yeah.
at this point.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, I made that bush. But yeah, Battlefront 2 seems like crap. My bush is great. Look at that bush. It's so amazing and lifelike. Battlefront 2 is.
I live for bush. I made that bush, and it's the best
I made that
bush
one.
ever.
Like, I made this one texture. They didn't tell me what it was for. Apparently, it was for all the loot boxes. So you guys have me to blame for making all the loot boxes.
It's amazing.
I'm sorry.
Probably the push that caused game lag.
Why is the textures for this bush like 2 terabytes? What's happening?
Benefit from this bush, we wouldn't have microtransactions.
It's a 16K. It's a 16K texture.
Could you
Like, oh my
imagine?
god, it's the best one.
Microtransactions for it. Oh my god, it's hilarious.
Get that foliage DLC.
Well, thank you so much for stopping by and telling us a little bit of what you're doing.
Sure
I'll let you get back to it since you're bouncing between 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna go figure out how I can do that dark projectile before I kill myself in the face.
In the face.
With
Try not to do that. You seem like a really cool guy.
Oh, I mean, it's not gonna matter that much. You know, just a little bit of a disfigured face, blood everywhere. It's not gonna make
It's not
But-
gonna make a
A
difference.
great game developer with a disfigured face and a stab wound.
Heck yeah.
Oh
Thanks,
man.
man.
It's all in how you look at it.
That's it.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I think I might have it this time.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm not gonna
Nope.
have it. They're still gonna miss it, but
Food, man.
hopefully I can
Oh, maybe not.
punch them.
Maybe not.
Punch that sheep in the
oh.
face.
Oh. Oh! That's some bullshit.
That one's gonna keep going. That's my.
Oh!
All right, top my record. Will I get 3? Will I get 3?
You can do it.
I'm gonna laugh if that other one that we think is off the screen is on there.
Just hanging out.
Yay!
Tied the record.
Got 3. No, I actually beat it. This is the new record.
Check down below. See if that other sheep is still down there.
Nope, going. That sheep is now lamb chop soup.
Lamb chop soup.
Sheepy, no!
Lamb
Sheepy.
chop soup.